Hi guys, this is Mark. We'll be doing a tutorial for the Asus x101ch screen replacement. First, open the laptop. At the top, you'll see some lines going along which separates the front panel from the back panel. What you would like to do is get your nails and try and slide it in, or you could use a guitar pick or a pry tool, but I would suggest to be very gentle with that. What you do is gently run your nails alongside and just try and pop it out. There we go. Once you hear that first pop, everything else will just slide along very easier. Let me try and turn it around for you to maybe have a see on what's happening here. So just gently, see, we're popping off snaps. But the trick is as well, while you're snapping it, gently kind of give it a push in so you don't break those clips. When you get down to the bottom panel here, what you now want to do is gently pry it forward. Gently. Now we have the front panel off. There are 4 black screws. 1, 2, and on the opposite sides in the same place, 3, 4. You want to make sure that the laptop's off at this stage before you want to do any of this. Undo any of these, all of these 4 screws. Once those 4 screws are out, you can gently move the screen forward, downwards. Do not pull the screen. Bring it downwards, flat onto the keyboard, as close to the backboard as possible, as you see I've done right here. You'll see that there is a tape which keeps the cable into place. So what you would like to do is remove the yellow tape, or if yours is white, you could remove the white tape, very gently coming across like that. Tape 1. The second one is coming from the actual screen. So what you would like to do is try and peel that back very gently. Some people's might be harder than that one, as you just see. So gently pick it up, and then once you reach back to the ribbon here, just pop one side of the cable to one side, and then it all comes out. And there's your old screen. Now all you have to do is reverse the sequence, and you'll have your screen working